The F-6 was flown by the Pakistan Air Force from 1965 to 2002, and around 140 modifications were made to increase effectiveness in interception and close air support roles. F-6s were also modified for carriage of AIM-9B Sidewinder missiles. Pakistan Air Force F-6 fighters participated in the 1971 Indo-Pakistan War, scoring approximately 6 confirmed aerial victories. These included one Indian MiG-21, which was believed by many to be a superior aircraft to the F-6 at the time. In the hands of Pakistan Air Force pilots, it proved its worth against considerably more modern and more costly opponents, with agility in combat which would do credit to contemporary air superiority fighter, MiG-21, in Indian Air Force inventory. The 3 Pakistani F-6 squadrons flew nearly 1,000 sorties during 1971 war. After the war, Pakistan Air Force felt the F-6s had acquitted themselves well and expanded their fleet. Further deliveries bringing total to 253 aircraft. Initial batch of 60 aircraft were delivered free of cost. During the Afghan War, Pakistani F-6s would scramble to deal with incursions of Soviet and Afghan aircraft into Pakistani airspace. Replacement by Chengdu F-7P began in late 1980s to mid-1990s. Retired in 2002 when Squadrons 17 and 23 were re-equipped with the Chengdu F-7PG, formally retired on the 27th of March 2002.